The construction industry is alive and well. As the Philippines moves upward after COVID, our construction industry is poised to grow by double digits. As many people restart investing and expanding their portfolios into the real estate market. At StoneWorks, we are ready to supply builders and developers with our decorative hardscaping products, such as manufactured wall cladding, natural stones and pebbles, clay tiles, artificial grass, polished or stamped concrete, and paving blocks. To complement our wall and floor finishes, we also offer construction chemicals, waterproofing solutions, and specialty coatings. Fortress construction chemicals include skim coats, tile adhesives, water and solvent-based sealers, and grounds. Fortress Deco wall finishing system offers renders, stuccos, sandblast, and granite finishes for your walls. Our Mojave Waterproofing Solutions offer quality choices for protecting your projects from water and moisture penetration. Our Eternia specialty coatings create new and exciting textured wall finishes, to give you more choices of texture and color. We have a full-service laboratory that drives our research, development, and quality control. Our training programs offer practical and technical training for installation and applications of our products. We can train you and your personnel at your project site or in your office for quality work and increased savings. For more information, visit our website at www.stoneworks.com.ph or call us at 0908815748. GT StoneWorks is at your service to help you build in 2023.